Congratulations! You're finally heading abroad to your dream destination to study. Your dreams are bigger, your bags are heavier, and your wallet. Let's not go there. So now comes the big question. Are you going to apply for a student loan? And if so, are you going to apply for one in USD or in INR? So today let's help you crack that code without cracking your brain. First up, interest rates. An INR loan from an Indian bank will cost you approximately 9 to 13% per year. USD loans, on the other hand, are in the currency of your study destination, which means you avoid currency exchange losses during repayment. Prodigy Finance, on the other hand, offers USD loans at competitive interest rates, like 8.35% if you have a cosigner. Now here's the catch. If your INR loan rate is super low, say under 9%, then consider that a win. But if it's creeping higher than your ambitions, a foreign currency loan might just be the smarter move, with more flexibility and less risks. Indian banks love a good family story. They usually want a cosigner. Most often, your parents or your guardians. Meanwhile, with USD lenders like Prodigy Finance, things are far more simple. It's just you, your dreams, and your signature. Prodigy Finance offers loans for students who want to study abroad, and it offers flexibility for students to choose between cosigner and no cosigner loans, competitive interest rates, and no requirement for a credit history in India. It's perfect for students who might not qualify for traditional INR loans. Imagine thinking you have to repay 40 lakh rupees, and suddenly it's 43 lakhs or more. Meanwhile, the USD loan, you borrow and repay in the same currency. No nasty foreign exchange shocks. Do you like paperwork? No? Same. INR loans can feel like a paperwork marathon. Proof of income, proof of land, assets, proof that you won a spelling bee in the 3rd grade. You name it. Processing time, sometimes weeks, sometimes even months. So what are the perks of applying for a loan with Prodigy Finance or other private lenders? Fully online, minimal documents, and approval in days. Honestly, if you need speed and simplicity, a USD loan is the way to go. If you take an INR loan, you may enjoy tax benefits under Section 80E, which allows you to claim deductions on the interest paid. While USD loans under foreign lenders currently do not qualify for Section 80E deductions, Prodigy Finance can provide you an interest statement on request. This can be helpful for tax filing purposes in certain countries. It's a good idea to consult a tax advisor to understand what benefits you might be eligible for based on your country of residence. Plus, if you plan to work abroad after your studies, you could benefit from tax perks depending on your new country's tax regulations. So to conclude, here's a quick cheat sheet. Choose an INR loan if you have a cosigner, collateral, a super low interest rate, and you want to get a sweet tax benefit. But choose a USD loan if you don't have a cosigner, you want to skip the paperwork horror show, want faster approvals, and you want to dodge currency swings. And if you're leaning towards USD, Prodigy Finance has your back. No cosigner, no collateral, and an easy peasy online application. And the added benefit of building a US credit history while studying. Basically, it's like getting an extra freebie with your degree. If you're still confused, just remember, loans are like relationships. Pick the one that gives you less drama and more freedom. Now go chase those dreams and maybe grab a coffee or two. You've earned it. Log on to Prodigy Finance for more helpful tips on studying abroad.